966 at 152. First all-wheel drive Typhoon in the 8.
Both of these Typhoons broke records this weekend. That's the world's fastest V6 all-wheel drive Typhoon, and that's the world's fastest stock block Typhoon. Dude, that is unreal. Bro, they got carbon fiber cowls on there. Cow vents.
Diabetes of Southern Kentucky, and every can will be donated to them and recycled at a special rate. So you're helping out homeless animals, you can help out our aluminum recycling bins. If you don't have anything aluminum to recycle, then you need to go to the Wheelie Bar or the Big Red Bar and buy you a $4 tall boy. And then recycle that can in our JDRF bin. If a tall boy is not to your liking, how about the turkey talking? It's always a good choice.
What's up, man? That your unit?
What?
Is that your unit? That's awesome, dude. You racing in it this weekend?
I did. I'm done racing. I had a blowout.
Oh, no. How fast did you get in it?
13.8.
13.8.
Yeah.
And we're putting the final
Oh, I see the blowout.
on that racetrack. The race for Super 16 and round 2 here at the 45th edition.
Love the Corvette wheels on this thing. It actually looks really good. Bro's in a hurry. Is it all stock, I wonder? I wanted to talk to him about it some. It does look very stock in there. Yeah. around while I'm at it. Yeah, I love the red. Again, love the Corvette wheels. This one's LS swapped. Got the FI tech on there. Here's the custom speakers on this thing. Another SKKustoms sticker on there.
Turbo Pro bracket to the back of the lanes preparing. I think everybody's up there getting their race picture.
Okay, so we need to head up there.
No, I think they're just
Staging?
getting their pairs. Finding out who they're going to race.
Well, why'd they drive their Syclones up there?
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I don't want to miss out on no racing if we can keep running. This is the last one I got to film right here.
Set to go.
It's looking like it might rain, but hopefully we get to see Sean Krupa make it past in the world's fastest V6 all-wheel drive Typhoon. All right, it looks like we got rained out. This beautiful Typhoon's got rain on it now. They're packing up, they're doing awards. So that's a wrap on this one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check us out for the next one. Man, what a truck.